In this guide, I'm going to show you how to publish a game on Roblox Studio. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, before we get started, I did just launch my ultimate Roblox game dev template. So if you're trying to make your own Roblox game, check out the Gumroad and Etsy links down in the description. Not only does this support the channel, but it also, of course, will help you make the ultimate Roblox game with a step-by-step process. Now, first things first, go ahead and, of course, open up Roblox Studio. And once Roblox Studio is actually opened up for you, let me go ahead and move this guy a little bit. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is open up the project that you want to publish, and then you just got to hit file all the way up in the top left. From here, you need to find experience settings right here. Open that up, and then you're going to see a save to Roblox option. Go ahead and select that. You just got to add the name and description for your game, and then you got to hit save all the way down here. Let's just go ahead and say test for video. And then, of course, you can go ahead and add a team create, whatever it might be. Just hit save again whenever you have all this the way that you want. It's then going to say you're going to find this for test and video, and it's going to immediately start redirecting you over to a page that looks something like this. Once you're on this page, if everything still looks good, and you can go ahead and test it by hitting play, just like so. Once again, up in the top left. And oh my gosh, it looks like we got the baby car. If everything looks good and everything's working the way that you want it to, go ahead and hit file again. And this time you need to go ahead and say publish to Roblox or publish to Roblox as, and go ahead and publish it. And once it finishes, your changes will be published to Roblox and you can go ahead and access it directly on there. But the process really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help out the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, once again, ask them down below. Have a great one. Peace.